Hey everyone, welcome back to Windowz Tech. Today, I'll guide you how to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue on Windows 11 and 10. Let's get started. The Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue on Windows 11 10 occurs when your device is connected to the Wi-Fi network but cannot access the internet. This can happen due to problems with the router, incorrect network configurations, outdated network drivers, or DNS issues. Let's begin. Step 1. Restart your router and PC. Turn off your router and unplug it for 30 seconds. Restart your PC and plug the router back in. Step 2. Flush DNS and reset network settings. Open Command Prompt as an administrator or PowerShell. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. netch IP reset. netch reset. Restart your PC. This will help you restore your network connection very easily. Step 3. Disable and enable network adapter. Open the device manager. Expand network adapters, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, and choose Disable. After a few seconds, right-click it again and select Enable. If still your Wi-Fi is not working, then try this last step. Step 4. Update or reinstall network drivers. In Device Manager, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver. If that doesn't help, uninstall the driver and restart your PC, allowing Windows to reinstall it. These steps should help resolve the issue. And that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue on Windows 11 10. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.